Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can upload your videos to your TikTok PC from your TikTok PC, I mean. Sorry. Select upload right here, and you're just going to select a video. You can only upload up to 10 minutes and less than 2 gigabytes. Select a file and select the file that you want to upload. This is where you can add the caption. Just going to write August, and here you can add hashtags and select the hashtags like so. You can edit like who can view this video. I'm just going to choose private for now. You can also run a copyright check here, and you can then select covers. There's going to be cover once the video has been uploaded, but it's taking a while to load. You can also, for instance, untick this if you don't want them to comment. You can also untick the duet and stitch button. But if you don't want to upload it, for instance, you can just select discard, and once it's uploaded to 100%, just make sure you click post. And that's how you can upload videos through TikTok PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!